Welcome to Hyper Profit. I'm Andrew Edwards, and while none of this is financial advice, the rumor mill is on fire today as it pertains to where Lucid Motors will end up. Now, a lot of people have been investing in the Churchill Capital 4 SPAC, ticker symbol CCIV, as the rumor for several weeks has been that Lucid Motors would merge with CCIV in order to become a publicly traded company. Today, the new rumor is that CCIV may not get Lucid after all, and that instead it will be billionaire SPAC sponsor Chanath Palihapitiya's social capital Hedosophia, ticker symbol IPOF, that merges with Lucid instead. Now, of course, as I'm recording this, the market is closed and we're currently in the aftermarket. So if you want to buy into IPOF before the market opens, you'll need an account at Webull. Link is in the description below. Webull will give you a few free stocks for signing up, but the main benefit is that you get an extra 8.5 hours of trading time each day, split between the pre-market and the aftermarket. And that's where I do a lot of my trading. Again, link down in the description. Okay, now let's back up for a second. What is Lucid Motors? If you're unaware, Lucid Motors is primed to become the main competitor to Tesla as it pertains to luxury electric vehicles, with the Lucid Air scheduled to be released this spring at a starting price of $69,900 with a range of 406 miles per charge and 480 horsepower at the entry level, and a maximum of 517 mile range and 1,080 horsepower. The cars support 900 volt charging speeds, which is very fast, and Lucid vehicles will be compatible with the Electrify America DC fast chargers, which will provide up to 300 miles of charging range in just 20 minutes. Also, by the way, if you're curious about what a SPAC is, it stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Company. It's a blank check shell corporation that exists to merge with a private company to take them public. SPACs are kind of all the rage right now. If you want a dedicated video on how SPACs work, let me know down in the comments below. So there's a lot of excitement, although the first Lucid vehicles coming off the line in a few months will be the much more expensive Dream Edition, which starts at $161,500, followed by the Grand Touring model later this summer at $131,500. The standard Touring model follows that one up in late 2021 at $87,500, and then the $69,900 Lucid Air Pure will start shipping in 2022. Now, if Lucid even comes close to becoming a legitimate competitor to Tesla, or just becomes a company that is successful at selling electric cars, there's going to be huge interest in owning a piece of the company by way of investing in the stock, as the global EV market is on track to reach $803 billion in 6 years, which is multifold growth from the $162 billion generated in 2019. This is why people have been waiting to hear confirmation from CCIV on the merger. There's been lots of due diligence shared online that made it look like it was all but a done deal, with the last step being a simple confirmation. But then this morning, rumors started swirling, and Chanath posted this tweet, which says, "SPACs may be easy to raise, but they are hard to execute, and success isn't guaranteed. Good luck to all the players." Now, is he just talking about his own challenges in the SPAC world, where he's been very successful, or is he playing chess and talking about the challenges of his competitors while knowing that he has the Lucid Motors merger in the bag for IPOF? Let me know what you think in the comments if you've also been following the rumors on this one. Now, you may be wondering how I'm playing my position here, and again, this is not financial advice, but if I pull up CCIV here on my account, you'll see that I have about 45 shares at an average price of $22.32, while the stock is currently sitting at $28.90 in the after hours, down just over 10% for the day when including after hours movement. Now let's look over at IPOF, and you'll see here that I own 35 shares at an average of $12.99 per share, while the stock is currently sitting at $16.89. It's up just over 10% for the day, including a sharp 8.34% increase after hours. So no huge commitment from me either way on IPOF or CCIV. I've got 35 shares of one and about 45 shares of the other. I want to let some of the rumors settle before going all in on one of these, but at least I have some skin in the game on each, because when Lucid does announce a merger, whichever company that ends up being with, I expect to see a very sharp increase in that stock. So I'm keeping a very close eye on this news on the daily. But let me know, how are you playing this one? Do you own CCIV? Do you own IPOF, some of each, or nothing? Hit me in the comments below and I'll meet you there for further discussion. Also, comment down below if there's other stocks in particular you want to know about, any strategies you want me to talk about, or just any personal finance questions in general, and I will get them answered in a future episode. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I'll catch you in the next video.